Now we're going to look at closing out a client assigned action. Now to do this, we go to the project that we've got to close the action out on, click on client projects there, and the one I'm interested in is Pittsburgh National Trade Center, and then I click on the actions tab. By default it comes to the corrective actions, and I've got my overdue actions, I've got my pending actions, and I've got my closed out corrective actions, and as you can see all three are empty. So what I'm actually interested in is scheduled actions. So I click on the button, and here I can see I've got 3 overdue actions, and I've got the pending and the closed out tab as well. Now if you can see up and coming or pending, they mean the same thing. So all you need to do is identify the action that you want to close out, and then in the grid click on the close out button. On the next page you can select the closed out date on. Important, the date that you need to enter here is the date the action was completed. That's not necessarily going to be today's date, okay? So make sure that you select the correct closed out date and not necessarily just the default today. So, and then in attachments, choose the files that you want to attach to support this closure, and then select the box stating I've uploaded the necessary documentation to provide evidence of the action taken to close out this item. Then click on the submit button. And there you go, the action's closed out successfully. There may be instances where you need to reassign the closeout action to somebody else. If that's the case, then identify the action to which you want to assign to somebody else, and then click on the Assign Responsible Person button. And then what you'll see there is you'll see the Assign Responsible Person form, and then you'll have a company list drop down, which if you've got more than one company registered in CASA will be in the drop down list here. And then you can select the responsible person by clicking into the field and start typing their name. But as you can see here, I've only got the one option showing. So click on them to select them, then click on the add button, and then they will be added to the responsible persons list. Now I'm going to delete them. I'm going to remove them from the list there, but then I would click on the assign button, and there you go. That's how you assign a responsible person.